Welcome to our talk show. I'm Matthew. And I'm Nidhi. We both are from UTV. Today, we are going to have a show based on the hot topic going in our city, Bangalore. Any guesses, parents?
Steel flyovers.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Any guesses, Susan, ma'am? Yes, today's topic is about the steel flyover, which is costing us 1,723 crores, and our nature is losing 800 Gs. Building the steel flyover from Basaveshwara Circle to Hebbal. We are having few intellectuals as celebrity, advocate and politician to speak on steel flyover. This side we have general public as college students speaking against the building of steel flyover. Yes, ma'am. For the well-being of our city, Bangalore, we should support and promote the idea of steel flyover. Super. Yes, ma'am. I support the idea as it is going to curb the traffic we face in our daily life and for which our city is becoming famous day by day. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Hereby, I support the noble cause for time management. If it's built, we are going to save a lot of time which we waste daily traveling to our workplace, to our home and back. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable comments. Now we have our general public to speak. Yes, sir.
We, being the young generation, strongly oppose the thought of steel flyover as it is going to spoil our so-called garden city Bangalore. We need to sacrifice our 800 trees to build it up, which is fairly not justified.
Thank you. Yes, please. Already we lost many trees while building up the metro railway in our city, which affected the weather tremendously. It's getting very hot nowadays if we compare with the early days. That's super. Yes, ma'am. I completely support the students on this. Today, Bangalore is getting much more humid than the earlier days. Oh, that was wonderful. Matthew, what is your opinion on this? I'm neutral. I'm an anchor here, Nidhi. Thank you, students, for all your comments on today's issue. I would like to ask my lovely audience today's question, if they have any. Yes, sir. Hello. Good afternoon and all present here. I would like to raise a point on this issue, that is money. This steel flyover will cost us around rupees 1,723 crores, which again is our money which we pay to our government as tax. Yes sir, we can have a concrete flyover which is obviously going to cost us less. Yes, it is a very important point indeed. Let's put our view into. Thank you, audience. I would like to throw a question to our guest present here. Yes, ma'am. Yes, according to me, money can be spent if the issue is serious and benefit us rather than upgrade our city. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Spending this huge amount is not at all justified where we can get the purpose solved spending much lesser amount building a concrete flyover and traffic can be controlled in other ways also. Thank you, ma'am. Here we have general public and farmers to express with their views as well. Please, ma'am, say something. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am? I disagree. If we go ahead with this plan, they were leaving a polluted city for our children in order to give them an upgraded city. Thank you. Yes, sir. I support we should take up the initiation to reduce the pollution in another way by controlling the traffic as Delhi has opted. We appreciate both of your views as well. ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್. ಮಳೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಬೆಲೆ ಪಡೆಯಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯ. ದಿನ ಕಳೆದಂತೆ ನೀರಿನ ಮಟ್ಟ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮದೇ ನೀರಿಗಾಗಿ ನಾವೇ ಹೋರಾಡುವ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಇಂಥ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮುಂದುವರಿದರೆ ನೀರಿನ ಅಭಾವ ಉಂಟಾಗಿ ಕುಡಿಯಲು ಸಹ ನೀರು ಸಿಗದೆ ಜನರು ಪರದಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತದೆ.
ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರಿನ ಅಭಾವ ಉಂಟಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಭೂಮಿ ಮರುಭೂಮಿ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
We hope everyone shall contribute our country to keep it clean and follow the rules strictly. As time is a constraint everywhere, so with us we need to end our show even though we don't feel like thanking you all. Heard everybody's views. Now let us leave it to the public and government to decide that are we going to have a steel flyover or not. Our heartfelt thanks to our intellectuals, students, service holders, general public and farmers to spend their valuable time to our channel. Here I'm Matthew and I'm Nidhi signing off for today. Please stay tuned for our next talk show based on 500 and 1000 rupees notes